Hey guys, today we will be starting, we will be um, doing a new video on this playlist of sliding window. Um, Here is array, a star string, and there is an string. We want to have the minimum window substring where it is present. Like this is the example. So we want it, okay? Um, let's first of all store this in our what? In our map. Char and int because we want to store the chars count, like a is 1, b is 1, c is 1. So m of c plus plus, we need count also. M dot size, okay, we need I equals 0, j equals 0, while j less than s dot length. Okay, um now what we can do, first thing first, we will see if it is present or not. If it is present, we do not minus minus. If if map of s of j, map dot find s of j not equal m dot end, then it is found. If it is found, then we have to reduce it from our map. And if m of s of j is becomes 0, if it becomes 0, then we also have to decrement count. Got it? Yeah. Okay. um we need min length. Okay, and start also. We don't need it. Ing will give it. Min length is required though. No, this also no. Let's see first, then we will be needing, say, if it is found, then we can do this. Okay, no problem. Also we have to increment the j, because if you don't increment j na, j plus plus, okay, it is found minus minus. Then there is a possibility of, if count 0, if its count becomes 0, can be possible, then our it is our possible answer. Okay, so first thing first, there is three possibilities out of this. Yeah, if count is 0, first of all we're gonna store that, and we're gonna I plus plus when up to count becomes 0. Yeah, we also have to increment um the count for first thing first, we have to see count is 0, then first of all store it in our what store. Min len is okay, it would be int max because gonna compare. Okay, minimum of min len comma j minus I plus 1, that is window size. Yeah, comes count 0. This is done. Now increment I. Now incrementing I. Yeah, incrementing I up to when? While count can I do is that while count 0 increment I up to when? If our m dot find s of I not equal end is found, we are going to move where is found m of s of I plus plus, and if m m of s of I greater than 0, okay, then count plus plus. Okay. Return if min len is equal to int away at equal to int max, then return what? If it is int max is the maximum, and obviously nothing. Yeah, else return this case is done, string s dot substring sub start and end child I comma min len. I don't know, man. It cannot work. Okay. Okay. अच्छा, so hmm. Hmm. Okay. Um. Hmm, जो भी कह जाए, परवाह करे, अल्फाज करे, करे। Hmm. Hmm, hmm, oh yeah. Okay. Let's try to dry run it. Mhm, 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 mhm. Bro, dry run is important. Let's dry run it again. Okay, I want to dry run it to understand. Because there is some problem that is I'm facing. Bro, I have to dry run it. Just give me some. Uh, okay, we have this. Yeah, okay. Now we have T stored in map. Yeah, A is 1, B is 1, C is 1. from this. Okay, count is obviously 3 and ij0, min len is int max, and start is something 0. Okay, or we can say I, doesn't matter. M, okay. Yeah. So first thing first, if found, if it is found s of j, then um see, 1 is found, so 0, count is minus, so count is 2. Okay. No, count is not 0, so then j plus plus would happen. Yeah, so j plus plus, that means d. Yeah, since it is not found and it is not uh count is 0, so again j plus plus. O is also not. B is there. Yeah, B is there, so 0, count is 1. Got it? Yeah, count is 1. Then E, then C. Obviously C is there, so 0, count is 0. Count is 0. So pretty nice, we have got it. We have got count as 0. We have count as 0. So while this condition is true, that is count is 0. Yeah, since count is 0, we have to store min len, since it is int max, so we can compare it with the window size, that is this window size A to C. Yeah, this window size is our min len, and if min len is greater than the window size, or less than, min len is int max. Okay, and window size is something less, so start sir ith index, min len is wait, there is a problem, I got it. Though, see, um equal to window size. Okay. Okay, so as we change min len, store I also. It's not required. Let us see. If there is problem, I will compare it. So start equals to I. Yeah, start is I. Okay. If our start is should not be changing now. if mean length is बड़ा है, if it is greater than j minus I plus 1, okay, if it is bigger than the window size, so we have to change the minimum length as j minus I plus 1, okay, and the start should be our I, okay, okay, then what do you do? So mean length now will be, since it is maximum in max, so it will be the maximum. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 would be our mean length. Got it? And I would be 0. Got it? Then if this is true, that is, if our is found is of I, then we can, if it is found, so where, since it is found, we are just incrementing it, because if it is found in the previous, yeah, we need it, we are moving now I plus plus, so we have to decrement it now, because no, we need it again because we are incrementing it. So yeah, we need it again, okay. So if you need it, so we make it 1 from 0 to 1. So and count should also be plus plus because we are incrementing. Yeah, so this is 1, count is 1, and then um plus plus incrementing I, that is t, count is, here count has become again 1, so to move on to j plus plus, okay, j plus plus, yeah, o o d e b, b has become minus 1, got it, minus minus, okay, yeah, then count is not 0, again j plus plus, a is found, becomes 0, yeah, so the 0 count becomes what, from 0 1 to 0 again, yeah, so um becomes 0, while becomes 0, um I was the first mean length, the window size minus I plus 1 was here, it is not, and it's not found, j plus I plus plus, and again I plus plus, not found, b is found, yeah, b is found, so b is found, so our b will become 0, okay, b will become 0, yeah, not count is not plus plus, again I plus plus, to e, to c, to o, to d, to e, to b, B to B. Now the mean length is smaller, greater than this. So we have guessed and I should be here. Got it? Yeah. Then find it. B, yeah. Plus all that. I think it is submittable. Nice. So what we have done is that we just try to get the first we have stored all this in the map. Second of all, we have just um if we have found it in the J, we have just decremented it because there is 111 becomes count 0. That means all the um indexes, all the counts are done, and we are um see letters are done. So what are not done is then again same. If count becomes 0, if the count becomes 0, that means that we have found the element. Yeah. So we stored in mean length, the size, and the starting. Size will be the end. Yeah. Start. Start to how many? Got it. Okay. Substring. Use substring. Start to. It's not end. This is mean length. That is the um how many up to how many, like this up to this is the size. Okay. Stored the mean length and the starting index. We need the starting index and the mean length. Mean length and starting index. Okay, got it. It's pretty nice. And also we have to increment I plus plus when we have to increment I plus plus when we have to just um see we have to increment if it is found from the ith index. See, this is sliding. Yeah. Store and then slide. Stored the mean length. Yeah. Stored the mean length and then slide it. Got it. Stored the mean length and then we have slided by if it is found we have to just increment the size and the count. The ith will be incremented. Then again I plus up to count is not becomes 1. I will go up to how much indexes. See B then since count B is found, so count plus plus 1, count is 1. Again it will come J since um J is moved up to what? Up to A. Then it will move to N. Then again C. C count will be um -1. Yeah. And then uh loop up out of loop. So store this and just move on. That is the pretty uh nice question. Thanks. Hope you like this video. Subscribe, like, and comment and share this video.